Japan, an archipelago in East Asia, seamlessly melds ancient traditions with cutting-edge technology. Tokyo, the bustling capital, epitomizes modernity, while Kyoto preserves cultural treasures like temples and tea ceremonies. Mount Fuji, an iconic stratovolcano, graces the landscape. Cherry blossoms paint spring, and autumn leaves add vibrant hues. Hiroshima symbolizes resilience after World War II, with the Peace Memorial as a testament. The Shinkansen, or bullet train, epitomizes efficiency. Japanese cuisine, from sushi to ramen, is a global delight. The nation's punctuality, politeness, and dedication to craftsmanship contribute to its unique societal fabric, making Japan a captivating blend of old and new. Subscribe now to stay updated on the latest videos and never miss out on the fun. Now let's begin. Number 1. The Golden Pavilion, or Kinkakuji, in Kyoto is a mesmerizing Zen Buddhist temple. Its exterior is adorned with brilliant gold leaf, reflecting in the surrounding mirror-like pond. Built in 1397, it initially served as a shogun's retirement villa before being converted into a temple. Each floor showcases distinct architectural styles: Shinden, Samurai, and Zen. The top 2 floors house a golden phoenix, symbolizing enlightenment. Surrounded by lush greenery and meticulously maintained gardens, the Golden Pavilion is a harmonious blend of nature and architectural splendor, drawing visitors worldwide to experience the serenity and majesty of this UNESCO World Heritage Site. 2. Todaiji, located in Nara, is a monumental Buddhist temple renowned for housing the great Buddha, Daibutsu. Constructed in 752, it stands as one of the world's largest wooden buildings. The massive bronze Buddha statue, cast in 752, is a symbol of Vairocana and stands over 16 meters tall. The temple complex includes picturesque gardens and other structures like the Nan Daimon Gate, guarded by colossal statues. Todaiji has endured several reconstructions due to natural disasters and fires. Yet its spiritual significance, cultural richness, and historical prominence persist, attracting countless visitors seeking tranquility and marveling at its architectural grandeur. 3. Mount Fuji is Japan's highest peak, standing at 3,776 meters or 12,389 feet. An iconic stratovolcano, it is a symbol of Japan's natural beauty and cultural significance. Located near Tokyo and Yokohama, Mount Fuji attracts hikers, climbers, and tourists year-round. Its symmetrical cone, capped with snow in colder months, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Pilgrims, artists, and nature enthusiasts are drawn to its awe-inspiring presence. During cherry blossom season, the view of Fuji framed by blossoms is particularly celebrated in Japanese art and culture, creating a serene and picturesque landscape. 4. Jigo Kudani Monkey Park, nestled in the Japanese Alps near Nagano, offers a unique wildlife experience. Known as Hell Valley, it becomes a haven for Japanese macaques during winter. These snow monkeys, adept at navigating the cold, descend from the forest to enjoy the park's natural hot springs. Visitors witness the charming spectacle of monkeys soaking in warm waters, creating a harmonious juxtaposition of icy surroundings and steaming pools. Established in 1964, the park not only provides a glimpse into the macaques' social behaviors, but also showcases the stunning wintry landscapes, making it a captivating destination for nature enthusiasts and photographers alike. 5. Kiyomizu-dera, perched on the eastern hills of Kyoto, is a revered Buddhist temple renowned for its wooden terrace that offers panoramic views of the city. Established in 778, its name translates to Pure Water Temple. The main hall, supported by wooden pillars without nails, overlooks a waterfall where visitors drink sacred waters for health and longevity. The temple, surrounded by cherry and maple trees, transforms with vibrant colors each season. Designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Mizuda embodies architectural marvel, cultural significance, and a serene connection to nature, drawing pilgrims and tourists seeking spiritual tranquility and scenic beauty. 6. The Hiroshima Peace Memorial, also known as the Atomic Bomb Dome, stands as a poignant symbol of resilience and peace. Once part of Hiroshima's Industrial Promotion Hall, it became an enduring testament to the atomic bombing on August 6, 1945. The skeletal remains of the building, preserved in its post-bombing state, evoke reflection on the devastating impact of nuclear warfare. Designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the memorial promotes a commitment to global harmony, disarmament, and the pursuit of a world free from nuclear threats. Visitors experience both historical weight and the resilient spirit of Hiroshima's recovery. 7. Himeji Castle, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, stands proudly in Himeji as a magnificent example of traditional Japanese architecture. Dating back to 1333, its pristine white exterior and intricate wooden framework earned it the moniker White Heron Castle. Renowned for its strategic design, the castle boasts a complex maze of paths and defensive features. The main keep, a 5-story tower, offers panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Surviving wars and natural disasters, Himeji Castle remains a captivating symbol of Japan's feudal past, drawing visitors to marvel at its historical significance, architectural splendor, and expansive castle grounds. 8. Fushimi Inari Shrine, situated in Kyoto, Japan, is an iconic Shinto sanctuary dedicated to Inari, the deity of rice, prosperity, and foxes. The distinctive feature is its thousands of vermilion torii gates that form the Senbon Torii, creating mesmerizing pathways through wooded hills. Established in 711, the shrine reflects intricate architectural details and serene forest settings. Fox statues, believed to be messengers of Inari, adorn the premises. A pilgrimage destination, visitors ascend Mount Inari through these vibrant gates, reaching the Oku no Hine area. Fushimi Inari Shrine stands as a captivating blend of spirituality, nature, and cultural richness. 9. Itsukushima Shrine, on the island of Miyajima in Hiroshima Bay, stands as a captivating symbol of Shinto architecture and spiritual reverence. Renowned for its floating torii gate, submerged during high tide, the shrine creates a surreal scene against the backdrop of Mount Misen. Established in the 6th century, the vermilion-hued structures harmonize with the island's natural beauty. The main hall, with its unique design, seemingly hovers over the water. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, Itsukushima Shrine embodies the sacred connection between humanity and nature, drawing pilgrims and visitors alike to experience its ethereal charm and cultural significance. 10. Shirako. Nestled in the Japanese Alps, Shirako is a picturesque village renowned for its traditional thatched roof houses, known as Gasho-zakuri. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, it reflects timeless rural life. The steep roofs resemble hands in prayer, designed to withstand heavy snowfall. In winter, the village transforms into a winter wonderland, radiating a serene charm. Dating back to the 18th century, these historic houses provide a glimpse into Japan's cultural heritage. Shirako hosts festivals and offers a serene escape, captivating visitors with its architectural beauty, scenic landscapes, and a harmonious blend of tradition and natural splendor.